Hello everyone, welcome back to B10X Learning. Today we are going to see a topic that is data discretization, and it is majorly used in data analysis and validation. It's like, for example, you have a set of numbers, okay, a set of continuous numbers with a huge range, okay, and you want to divide the numbers based on few categories, okay. For example, you have some age, a set of age, and you want to group the age based on like you can make them like child, young, or you can make like means a low age, mid age, and the senior citizens like that if you want to group, okay. So in that type of cases, this data discretization can help actually. So we will be using ChatGPT and we will come to know how it is helping. Okay. So let's go back to ChatGPT.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
So I will be using like explain, because as a beginner you should know, because very few knew what is data discretization, because they have worked it, they knew, but this is data discretization like that they may not be aware. So let's do that. Explain data discretization with the Python code. Okay. Because as developers, this will definitely help. Okay. And I am giving some age group, right? For example, like I will give age is equal to like 23. I'll be selecting few set of numbers. Okay. So this is the process. Okay. It's a process of converting the continuous data into discrete buckets or intervals. Okay. This technique is often used in data pre-processing to transform a continuous attribute into a categorical attribute. That's what, like, for example, this age, right? From we can make like 23 to 40, they can make it as a mid age. And from 50 to 70, a senior, or like after above that means a super senior or some diamond seniors, like that we can make it based on the requirement. Okay. So before moving into that, guys, one important update. Okay. So like as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. And all the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detail in our B10X program. So make your future secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay. So I'll be going here. This is the B10X, and these are the like our workshops. What are the workshops in the upcoming workshops? Okay, like this and Power BI, and like you can register. So it will take you to this page. When will be the next? It will be on Jan 21, right? So, and you can see all the bonuses and the reviews and why to join. So all these details are there. So don't miss this workshop, guys. Okay. So now we'll go back to our ChatGPT. Okay. So it has given data discretion categorical attribute, which can be more effective for certain types of analysis and algorithms, especially those that work better with categorical data. Okay. So let us consider your age with a list of ages. These ages are continuous number, right? Correct. This is are all continuous, but we can discretize them into categories like 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Okay. So based on that, they are means segregating. This is all in our hand. Okay. If I don't want to go with this, I want to make from 20 to 40 instead of going in different stages, we can make that also. Okay. And for example, here it is this Python code is used to return 20 to 29. And instead of this, right, we can make in this code, we can define a function discretize age. Okay. So now modify the code and like uh, display uh, with three categories like uh, child, youth, we can make, and then we can make like middle-aged people, middle-aged, and senior citizen. Okay, let's see how it is doing. Appropriate ages. Okay, child is less than 8 years, youth is 18 to 35, and middle age is 30 to 55, and the senior citizen is above 55. Yeah, that's the thing, right? So it has given you a very in an easy way it has given, right? So it has given, right? These are the thing. If you copy and if you use it in your Google Colab or if you are using in your Anaconda, definitely it can give you. So in a short span of time, we got the information, right? So that is the advantage. And let's see what will be the output. Okay, so let's see. It's displaying, it is tracking. So yeah, the result will be like this because 23, okay, 23 will fall like youth, okay.